Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make a photo manipulation or text art using Adobe Photoshop. So before starting this tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all of my new videos notification. So let's have a look what we will create today. So this is the photo. We are going to make the same photo in this Photoshop. So first open your photo in after Photoshop, then we need to remove the background. I have already removed this. So then create a new file, and I'm going to use this. Then click create, so it will create a new page. Then I'm going to use the text tool and going to use the font called Hunters. You can download the font from the link in video description, or you can use any other fonts. Now select the text tool, then click here and make a S. So from here you can adjust the text size. Okay, now let's go to here and drag this photo to this page, then press Ctrl T and then drag, make it little bit smaller. Now click OK. Now select this and make a duplicate of this photo. Turn off the photo for now. Turn on this and don't forget to apply this to layer mask. Now select this and create a clipping mask. Now select top this layer, then make it a convert to smart object, and then click on this FX and click on this stroke option. And from here I'm going to use the stroke color white and position outside and stroke size 10px, then hit OK. After that we need to create new solid layer here. I'm going to use this color, then hit OK. Now turn on this and click here, press Ctrl and click this image. Now select this and click on this mask option. It will remove our photo. Then select this brush tool and from here make this foreground color is white, then brush in this area. Press Ctrl 0. OK. Now select this layer and select FX and click on this drop shadow option and create a shadow. and from here change this color to black. Then click OK. Now select all of these layers, then make it a group. Select this and drag this something here. And again select the text tool, change the font size and type your name. Now hit OK. Now again press Ctrl Z to duplicate this, then drag this to here. And delete this. Now select the move tool and drag this to here and increase it something like this. Then click OK and again make it a clipping mask. And again select all of these layers and make a group, then go to FX and drop shadow. And now adjust the shadow speed and distance. Hit OK and select the stroke. Adjust the stroke size and drop shadow. Then hit OK. Now let's import this file to the Photoshop. Select this and make this blending mode to screen. Then drag this to here. And duplicate this. Again drag this to something here. Okay. So this is how we can make a simple text manipulation on text art. So now let's save this. Go to file and save as. Save it on your computer. Then select the file format to jpeg. Then select the folder where you want to export. Then click on the save option. Now let's see what create. So this is the photo. So this is how we can make a photo like this. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video then make sure that you have subscribed my channel and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching.